So we are still getting the same error. Item is undefined. Okay. We need to register a middleware to parse the body. I'm going to register a middleware here. app.use express.json. Express provides the JSON body parser middleware. They have introduced this JSON method in the Express 4. You can also do in this way by installing third-party body parser middleware. This body parser middleware also provides this JSON method. I'm also going to register another middleware for express.url encoded. I also will use this middleware. It will parse the request params and it will parse the body. Let's try to test it. Let me run the application in debug mode. First, we need to run the build script to execute the debugger. Now I'm able to debug the code. I'm going to start the project in debug mode, open the invoice controller. Application is running now. I'm going to add breakpoint here. Let's try to test it. Boom. Now you can see the body here. Item is freelance project. Because the magic is happening is here. Express is parsing the JSON body here. That's why we have added the JSON body parser. Now it will run this code. It will try to get all the properties. Now you will see this message, date is required field. Cool, date is required field.